Quality related definitions. Tools of QC recap. In the last class, we have seen inspection. Inspection, there are important aspects involved in it. Inspection, in fact, is the common method used for quality control purposes, not only in production but also in services. So, inspection is done in the case of production processes and also in service processes. So, this is what it meant. So, inspection is the common method used for quality control not only in the production but also in services. So, it is used in the production process and services. Product control. What is product control in textile industry? The proper utilization of all the processes required to achieve desired quality product is termed as it is. The end product of process should fulfill to achieve the desired quality product. Product control. In case of spinning process, yarn count twist, so those are tested and those are checked for quality control. In case of weaving fabric, EPI, PPI shrinkage are checked. In case of dyeing process, color matching, various fastness properties. In case of finishing process, finished fabric softness is checked. So this is known as product control in the textile industry in various departments like spinning, weaving, dyeing and finishing. So you have all studied various important parameters in spinning, weaving and dyeing and probably in also finishing. So all those parameters are tested and those tested fabrics are sent for confirmation from the customers. So this is known as quality control in the product section. What is process control in textile industry? The exact utilization of all the raw materials and auxiliaries needed to achieve targeted quality product is known as process control. The exact utilization of all the raw materials and auxiliaries needed to achieve the targeted quality product is known as process control. So in one way, if you look at the blow room industry, the raw materials and the auxiliaries and whatever they are used and the process, this is the whole process is checked. In similarly in the weaving process, what are the raw materials? In the weaving, raw materials are weaver's beam and pern, and auxiliaries means any other, like in sizing you have auxiliaries, sizing ingredients and all these things. So next point, in textile industry we have used different types of process from the growing stage to ultimate stage of a finished product. Those processes are spinning, weaving, knitting, dyeing, finishing, etc. These processes have to control for achieving desired quality control and desired quality product. In the below, the presented various changing parameters for each process of a product. In case of yarn manufacturing process, end breakage should be controlled by controlling weight per lamp length, sliver length, roving length or yarn length. Weaving process should be controlled the excessive breakage of warp and weft on EPI and design. Dyeing process should be controlled by material to liquor ratio. M/L means material to liquor ratio. pH, that denotes acidity and basicity of the dye bath. Temperature and pressure. Finishing process controlled by softness. QA and QC. We have already studied this QA and QC in the yesterday's class. Now we will study as per textiles. Quality assurance and quality control are two aspects of quality management. So QA and QC both come under quality management. While some quality assurance and quality control activities are interrelated, the two are defined differently. Typically, QA activities and responsibilities cover virtually all of the quality system in one fashion or another, while QC is a subset of the QA activities. Also, elements in the quality system might not be specifically covered by QA QC activities and responsibilities but may involve QA and QC. QA. Quality assurance can be defined as part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. The confidence provided by quality assurance is twofold: internally to management and externally to customers, government agencies, regulators, certifiers, and third parties. An alternate definition is all the planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality system that can be demonstrated to provide confidence that a product or service will fulfill requirements for quality. Whereas QC is quality control is defined as part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements, while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed or how a product is made. Quality control is more the inspection aspect of quality management. An alternate definition is the operational techniques and activities used to fulfill requirements for quality management. The implementation of quality management systems means a company is collection of collection functions and business processes that are aiming toward the consistent improvement of quality to ensure customer requirements and expectations are either exceeded or met. So quality control means we should meet the target and we may exceed, but we should not lower down. Expressed as a framework that organized as policies, procedures, processes, methods, resources, techniques, quality management systems, and structures by which the company ensures the schedules, contracts, responsibilities, agreements, and relationships are on par with food, product safety, and environmental standards. Thank you. This is about the third slide. Thank you.